Well, welcome to week 1. By now, to get access to this, you've had to take the syllabus quiz. I hope you didn't wait to the last minute to do this because you actually have work to do this first week. This video will be posted in the Week in a Glance section. Just to let you know, I usually post sections on resources, and on a normal week, you'll get PowerPoint slides. You'll get the lecture of the material that I found, at least on the major topic. I may not go through everything that the chapter covers, but at least the things that I think are probably the most confusing in some cases. I also post a Quizlet if you're into understanding your terms and getting, helping you with flashcards. So I've got flashcards set up to help you understand some of the concepts. So whether you want to look at those and use those or not, that is strictly up to you. I also post other links, other videos. In this case, there's a video on command language. I know it's been a few days since you have thought about Cisco, so this video may help you get back up to speed on that. Now, as far as assignments this week, one, I would like you to introduce yourself. And there's a couple of things, and I don't care if it's a video, I don't care if it's a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document, any way you feel led to be creative, feel free. But one thing I do want to do is make sure you get a picture. That way, who knows? I may see you on campus. When you step in my office, I'll at least have a clue that you're in one of my classes. So that's one thing you need to put in that. Now, then I got 5 questions I want you to think about. And they're a little bizarre. But what qualities do you look for in a teacher? So maybe I'll see what your expectations are and see if I can kind of do things to make it easier to live up to those expectations. But you're taking this class for a reason. The question is, what are you passionate about? What do you like? What gets you out of bed in the morning? Being January, the first New Year's resolutions and all, what's one big question you have for this year? What are you trying to get an answer to? The question then becomes, what are your strengths? And how best can I utilize your strengths in this class? And then the last question is, what does success look like to you at the end of the year? Now, of course, some of you are going to say, well, gee, if I get an A in the class or a B in the class, that would be a success. Or is it something deeper? Is it something that says, oh, I want to learn more about networking, or I want to make sure that I understand how networks are configured, so when I get into a biomed assignment or work assignment, my first job, that I understand what's going on. And when I communicate with tech support or at the hospital or something. So, and who knows, some of you may just say, I just want to make sure I finish. But I just want to see, what does success look like to you? Because success isn't just a grade. It's really, I want to make sure you get something out of this class. So that's your first assignment. And it may be the hardest of all of them. Then there are 2 packet tracer assignments. I've got Word and PKA. I want to make sure you submit 2 files, the Word document and the PKA, because I do look at the questions and the answers to some of the questions and the reflection questions at the end of the lab. So those are things that you need to do. And then here's your attendance reflection journal. Remember that it's due. Actually, all the assignments are due on Monday. You can see that January 13th date. That's the Monday date. But I give you that absolute cutoff until Wednesday at midnight. So, but this one is used for attendance, so make sure you fill that one out. And then, of course, since Chapter 1 is split between weeks 1 and 2, there is no exam in this week. So hopefully that helps, and I look forward to working with you in this class. If you have any questions, I've given you plenty of ways to get a hold of me. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.